Welcome to Rome Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy this content. Monolith is revolutionizing personal data management. Located at monolith.xyz, this platform empowers users to effortlessly consolidate, manage, and utilize their fragmented digital information. Imagine having all your scattered data, from tweets and notes to code snippets and bookmarks, readily available and interconnected in a single, unified space. Monolith makes this a reality, offering a powerful and intuitive way to take control of your digital life. This isn't just another data storage solution, it's a dynamic knowledge graph that allows you to connect ideas, discover hidden relationships within your information, and generate new insights. By leveraging the robust capabilities of graph databases, Monolith provides a flexible and scalable architecture that can adapt to your evolving needs. Whether you're a researcher, developer, student, or simply someone who wants to better organize their digital world, Monolith offers a transformative experience. It empowers you to seamlessly integrate data from various sources, perform advanced searches across your entire knowledge base, and visualize the connections between different pieces of information. With Monolith, your data is no longer siloed in disparate applications, it becomes a dynamic, interconnected ecosystem that fuels creativity, productivity, and discovery. Explore the potential of monolith.xyz and experience the future of personal knowledge management. Stop just storing your data, start leveraging it. Monolith provides the tools you need to unlock the full potential of your digital information, empowering you to make more informed decisions, generate innovative ideas, and gain deeper understanding. Take control of your digital life and visit monolith.xyz today to learn more. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize the way you interact with your data.